Oh shit! What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We have packages. I went to Lowe's today. 2 nights ago, my skill saw died, so we got a new skill saw. This morning I woke up. Granny was like, FedEx came, but he left. But I think he dropped your packages off at the neighbor's house. What the hell? So I look at my phone. My neighbor Troy, he's like, hey man, I got some packages for you. I was like, oh shit. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Alright guys, so I've been in the market for a welder. As some of you know, I go to welding school. I am getting a associate's degree in welding. You know, it's just something that I want to take on, and I've been in the market for a welder. I've been looking at reviews, reading reviews. I don't have $10,000 to spend on a Lincoln. I don't have $10,000 to spend on a Miller. So with the money that I had to spend, the best possible option and best reviewed welders that I found is, as you guys can see here, I bought the MP250I Eastwood. And along with that, when you purchase it, it comes with the main welder itself, and then you've got all your accessories here in the box. That's going to be probably my wire and things like that. But along with this purchase, I also bought the Versa-cut40. And you know, doing the reviews, realistically what I'm trying to do, I only need MIG and TIG. Stick is just a nice option to have when you're doing more heavier duty things. This machine itself has 100% duty cycle, I think, at 194 amps, and 60% duty cycle at the full 250, which is perfect. I've read a lot of reviews, I've seen some videos, I know some people that have dealt with it. I know somebody personally that has this machine. They say it's a great machine. So I went ahead and purchased it. With the welder and the plasma cutter, it only set me back about $2,000. And I mean, $2,000 is a nice chunk, but considering the versatility and what I got for it, it is a perfect combo for what I want to do. So with no more further talking, let's open the box.
Open the box.
Open the box. Alright guys, so in box one, as you've seen, we have the welder. Let's open another one.
Open the box.
Open the box. Alright guys, so here in box two, we have, that's our bottle brackets that go on the back of the machine. Got some bolts, we got our chain for our bottle. We've got, this is our adapter to go from our 220 plug that's on the machine to 110 if need to be used. Let's see. In the box, we've got our MIG gun. We've got some contacts, some wrenches. Looks like an Allen of some sort. I'm not sure what's in the blue bag. What is in the blue bag? There we got a zipper. Looks like in here, this is our TIG. Ooh, that's nice. This is very, very nice. Inside the blue bag, pull this out. It's our cups, our collets, our collar body, our tungsten. It's nice, very nice. It's got a cup on it. Sorry, don't get me wrong, this is our collar body. Those are our collets. I lied. It's a number 5 cup. What else? We got a 7 and a 6. It's nice. So we adjust our gas flow. It's very nice. Nice little setup there. Alright, you know what? Put that back in the bag. This goes in here. Like so. Like that. Like this. Zip that. Alright. And right here, as you can see, this is our MIG gun. Just open for you. Nice, very, very nice, very nice. So, plug in right there. This is here. Very nice, very nice. Put that back in the box. Along within that big box, you have your wheels, I think front and rear, and with this hardware that's supplied inside here, those bolt to the bottom of the machine. We'll be doing that here later. See what's in this box. This is a box in a box. There's all kinds of boxes in the box. So in this box, we have, this is our Stinger stick welding. Very heavy, nice, very nice. We got our gas line to go from the machine to the regulator. And then we have our ground lead. It's a very nice lead in itself. Nice copper wire inside there, copper contacts. Very, very hefty, very nice. Put all this back in the box. Use none of that. Oh, so this some bubbles, some bubbles, some bubbles, some bubbles. My yeah, exactly what this is. Got a box. Got a box. Goddamn. Got a box. Let's see. Right here, we have our MIG consumables, which is our tips and all that jazz. And here we have our regulator. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Don't need that to get broken. I've got our wire spool. This is .035. We've got 2 spools of that. And now on to the last box. We got a ground clamp. Same quality. Really nice. We got another wannabe cutting shield. It looks like in here we have a flow meter type deal, shit bang of some sort. Have to figure that out. We have another cutting shield. Those are nice, but I don't need. We've got 220 to 110 adapter. And then we have our torch. It's really nice. Oh, set that there. Oh, it's nice, nicely packaged small unit. I mean, like I said, it's not $1 million miller or a fucking Hypertherm or anything like that. But it's gonna do what the hell I want to do. Got a nice little plug in there. This is our amp control, our on and off. Not quite sure how this works. Well, stick it in and lock it, it doesn't turn. Pull it out. This is going to increase your air pressure. We'll play with that more when it's time to hook this bad boy up. Oh, set that right there. Alright guys, so overall, I really think, bang for buck, we hit a home run, considering I've got everything that I need, minus I want to get some more tungstens, and I need to get some gas, some CO2, some argon, some pure argon. Probably just get 2 small bottles. I think I'm going to end up building a cart for both of these to fit on. So versus putting the wheels or the casters that came with it, I think I'm going to build something just so that I can have both units together. Let's see. Something probably along the lines of where I can have the plasma cutter up top like this and then the welder on the bottom. But I'm stupid stoked as far as actually getting it. I can't fucking wait to use it. I'll be using this nice new toy right here first. Oh God! Pick it up. But first off, impressions of the welder and the plasma cutter themselves. It's amazing. I can't wait to get everything made and actually be able to use them. It's going to be awesome. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, because the toys, the tools, everything's coming in. We're about to get to work. I'm trying to get a buddy of mine over here tomorrow, throughout the next week, and put some metal up, get the shop going. I need to get it done. The weather's starting to change. Last night it was like 47 degrees outside, and today the highest we've seen is 70. So the weather is starting to change, and I do not want to be out there in the damn snow trying to put this building together. So I need to get this done so I can get power down to it, run my water in it, get everything I need to do so that these machines can actually be put to use. Because as soon as that building's done, the F-250's coming in, and you guys aren't ready for what's going to happen. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. I'll holler at you guys in the next video. I'm out. I got the Matibo HTP 7¼ inch skill saw. It side to side, front and back. It's got the measuring scale on the actual body itself. I had a Harbor Freight one that I had been using for about, God, I'm gonna say about 10 years. And 2 nights ago, when I was working on the addition of the house, I actually used it, set it down, and when I picked it up, it didn't work no more. So, I mean, it did its purpose. It worked for many years. So I'm hoping I can get a good amount of years of use out of this one. So, okay.